Waste is not a waste. Waste is God.
The circular food system is a process where nothing in the system is being wasted.
In Rwanda, agriculture is the backbone of the economy because 7% of the total population are employed in agriculture.
We have to maximize valorization of what we have without degrading our environment.
We have been trained, we managed to understand that it is our concern to eliminate all kind of waste from our activities.
Ahazaza ha kampani nuko iyi gasenyi tugurisha tudashongera kuyigurisha. Dushobora kuzayibyaza ikindi kintu nko gukora palette cyangwa briquette.
We have learned how to develop marketing strategies, how to develop a good partnership with customers and partners, government, farmers, because each partner have their own role to play in this value chain system.
I got the chance to participate in the different conferences and sessions. I exchanged ideas, opened my mind to the extent that I have to redesign and rephrase my working models, my marketing models.
In Rwanda, what we used to call it waste, they will bring us to a product.
An entrepreneur is always eager to grow, eager to expand, to reach somewhere. You can find someone probably lying on this market. You think that she's sleeping, but I'm not sleeping. I'm brainstorming. I'm brainstorming.
Circular is very important for agriculture in Rwanda. Someone's waste might be someone's raw materials.